So this is what the name of the sessions, the name of the workshop is Advanced LLMOps. And in this workshops, let me tell you the context. The context is you get each and everything from scratch to expert level, from we building API key generations to deploy LLMOps and how to see on live. All those things we're going to understand in this workshop. So if you're working professionals, very good. If you're work fresher, that's good. If you already there are a lot of YouTubers also there in the workshops. Their work is only to watch YouTubes and that's it. So some YouTube fellows are there, so it's also for them. So let's continue and get back to the main topic. Pretty clear? So I'm just hold on some time. I'm checking whether the live is going on, and once we find out, we'll start. So everyone is clear, guys? Everyone is clear? Please answer me. Everyone is clear. So here, let me tell you the context one more time. So this is for everybody. The audiences are freshers, working professionals, and who wants to shift to AI. And if you are completely non-technical, might be few words you might not understood, but that's totally fine. Okay. And it's going on absolutely live, and I'll share you all the links and complete Agentic AI playlist also I'll share after the class, and I'll announce the new internship batches going on for 30-day program. So if anybody interested, you can enroll or you can refer to your friends. Let's continue now. So I hope I'm clear, everyone. I hope I'm clear. All questions I'll take at the later. Let's do it. Okay, thank you, ma'am. So can you please scan this QR code? This is for new internship batch program. If you can scan it, so you can scan it. This is not for existing learner. This is for new learner who wants to interest to do internship. You can scan the QR code and let me know once the scanning is completed. Let me know once the scan is completed. Still people are joining. Just allow some time. Dhiren, how are you, man? Very good. After a long day. Prabhat, yes. Aditya, Avinash, yep. Shweta, Vijay Lakshmi, Fahad. Okay. Welcome back on Sunday workshop. Good morning, team. Okay, have everyone scanned it? Good morning, no problem. So for same topic, do we have any regular class or batch? Nikhil, this is workshop. Yes, this topic will continue on every batches. So no worries about that. Okay, Nikhil. Am I louder? Am I clear? Okay, let's start and we'll continue. I hope you guys done now, everyone. I hope you scan the QR code and let's continue. So I need few topics. I need your precious 2 hours of time and to concentrate, take your pen and paper and open a laptop and we'll continue. And it's completely going to be work on hands-on. And there's a big topic it's going to be covered today and it would be awesome. Okay, let's start. Hey, what happened? Sharing stopped. Okay, great. Sorry about that. Let's continue, team. And okay, everyone, let's continue. LLMOps. Before I start LLMOps, I want to give a small examples. Okay, let's continue with that. And QR code. Okay, Rahul, just 1 second. Please take the QR code. Please scan the QR code and let me know. Once you're done, just team, once you're done. So this is not for if any existing learner joined, this is not for you. If any new learner, please scan it. That is what I wanted to say. Okay. Now you ask a question, what is the scanning for? The scanning for a new internship batch going on for 30 days program for advanced Gen AI, Agentic AI internship. So now this is for college students. This is for working professionals to upskill in fast way and so that they can migrate to the company profile as POC you can say that I'm working as a POC, and then you can switch to other companies as well. Okay, team, let's start now. It's almost done. Thanks, guys. See, the first thing, LLM ops, I am going to divide this subject into two parts. This is for LLM model plus ops. Every company has an operational team. Okay, for example, in every family, the mom act as an ops manager, isn't it, guys? For example, what is mom does? I mean, your mom will take care of every child, at what time he go out, at what time he come in, which everything he track of a family, each and every member. Team, agree with me or not? Are you listening me? We need a friendly discussions, we need a friendly talk will work, all those things. So exactly, so we have a few things like that. So in every family, we have a mom, we have a parents, they act like an ops manager. What is ops manager? Operational manager means ops team. Every company has an operational team, every team has an ops manager. So what he does, he will track each and every employee login time, log out time, when he will take leave, when he come in, and what project status, does he complete the project or not. This is all about your, that's the way the ops manager does. So when come back to MLOps and LLM ops, before I start with LLM ops, let's show you one topic about MLOps. See this, guys. MLOps, what is MLOps? Machine learning model. You build ML models. After build ML models, you deploy, and then you track the behavior of the model whenever the new data train. Okay, so how the train data behaves. So somebody has to track it. If you track manually, this is not possible, and it is absolutely, it's manual task. So it's better if there are some UIs are available to track, like MLflow, Qflow, GenML. We have multiple operational team available in the world. So who can do this MLOps? MLOps can be done by machine learning developer, DevOps team, data engineering team. So it is a fusion among three. If you are learning ML developer, yes, you can work with MLOps. If you are a DevOps guy, yes, you can learn MLOps. If you are a data engineering team, yes, you can also connect to MLOps. So it is just tracking the model. That's called MLOps. So here, I want to give a very straightforward statements means, okay, just 1 second. MLOps, you build a user build machine learning model, and ops team track the model, guys. Ops team track the model, okay, automatically. This is all about ops team, MLOps. But today, LLM ops. What is LLM ops? User build, okay, like any project using LLM model, and ops team track the model, guys. Track the model. The in family, every family, the way the parents like dad and mom, how come they track the every family members behavior, work and study, earning, everything, guys. So crystal clear. Give me a response, yes or no. If yes, I'll go back to new topic. Team understood, all the people? Just quick, friendly response, yes, team. Great. So let's exit. Got my point, team? Online team, everyone? Great. So what is MLOps? What is LLMOps? So here, now let's get back to the topic now. In this topic, see this. This is very powerful slides. I made it for our understanding, so anyone can understand this, guys. What is LLMOps? Let me little. What is LLMOps? LLMOps is large language model operation. Is the process. Let me off the video so that you can concentrate the slides. Let me off the video so that you can concentrate the slides. So here, let's off it. So LLMOps is a large language model, is the process of building, okay, managing, monitoring, deploying, and maintenance generative AI applications in production. So here we have many ops cycle we have in the world. One of them is DevOps. So what is DevOps for software? It focus on software deployment, automations, and infrastructure. What is MLOps? This is for cloud, guys. This is for cloud where AWS, Azure, GCP. This is for cloud, guys. This is for ML, guys, machine learning, guys. And another one, LLMOps. When we talk about LLMOps, you know what is LLM models like GPT, Gemini, Llama? We have multiple models. So if you scroll down, this focuses on machine learning life cycles, model training, deployment, and monitoring. And this one especially focuses on prompt engineering, RAG pipelines. Today we build LLM monitoring, evolution, productions, and operation. So today, MLOps, I already have one video. I will share this video to you. So you first watch it. LLM Ops, we are continue. Second, you can watch it. So you got the clear idea about this team. Everyone is clear? Now, workflow, very, very important. So the same thing just now we discussed. There's a three thing we talk about. DevOps, work by cloud engineer, understood, and versus MLOps has who does ML developer versus LLM ops. LLM ops, who can LLM developer, guys, or we can call as Gen AI engineer. Gen AI engineer. Clear? Okay, so the next topic is, let's talk about this part. LLM ops workflows. So how do we build workflows today? It's workflow. I already told you what is meant by workflows. I already told you, I already explained you workflows. If you haven't watched that workflows earlier, see this. So I'll share multi-agent workflows, what is single agent workflows, what is multi-agent workflows, very detailed explanations given in previous videos. I want to go back and watch it. So this is the live link I'm sharing to you. So copy that and keep it with you. I'm sure it would be helpful for in your organizations, professionals as well. So just click it and keep it with you so you can understand these things, guys. Clear? I'll share everything, Claude, Kimi, all latest platforms you find out here, and you can find out all those things, guys. Crystal clear, team? Let's get back to the topic now. And see, before I start work, let's build one workflow today. What is workflow? Very simple. If you construct a new house, what is workflow to construct a new house? First, you have a land, then you see how much BHK you want to construct. You talk to the architecture, he give a plan, and you hired a labor. And then you need to check your money, and then you construct foundations, then first floor, then second floor, isn't it? So this is all the workflow process. This is all workflows. Got my point, team? So look at that. Today, we're going to do this practical. Today, we are going to do this practical. What is LLM Ops workflow? First, I have one PDF, guys. Okay, I'll have one PDF. Second, we will pre-process the PDF, okay, using Python program. Then we'll apply chunking. Chunk means what? Entire big PDF documents, I make it to chunk now. Team, does my voice is clear? Does my voice is clear? Please answer me. Everyone, does my voice is clear? Come on, man. We need to have a healthy talk, healthy discussion. ऐसे मत बैठो मजाक अच्छे पढ़ेंगे no problem. Got my point? Fantastic. And we have a PDF, we pre-process that, we chunk it, and see, machines never understand the text, isn't it? So that's why what we need to do, we convert those text to embedding vectors. All right, embedding vectors. Then we store into the vector database. What are the vector database? Because I'll tell you what is vector database. And then we retrieve the questions, whatever user ask. Then I will call LLM models. Then we generate a response. Understood? After the response, we monitoring that. So here, what is core component of LLMs? Prompt engineering, RAG pipeline. We build Gordials. Gordials means what? I mean, how the security, and then vector database, monitoring, evaluations. We use these frameworks today to understood. Voice not clear? Okay, I think this guy need to be recheck. Suyog, can you check your side, man? Clear. Everyone is clear. This guy, I think, who is this guy? Can you check? Okay, check from your side. See, do not join any workshop for that shake off. Nobody force here. Am I correct, guys? Look at that here. What is popular LLMOps tool? The popular LLMOps tool, we have like LangChain, LangGraph, ChromaDB. I mean, this is all. Yep. So this is Orchestra and VectorDB, monitoring, Langsmith MLflow, Fast API. And Fast API, I told you how to deploy Fast API in previous class. LLMs model, we can use this. Got my point? So why LLM ops is important, guys? Every company mostly working on LLM, still research phase is going on in every organizations. So build production ready AI applications, improve hallucinations, monitor performance and detect issues earlier. LLM ops helps you to build, run, scale AI applications intelligently. That's why so LLM ops is very important. Okay, team, let's talk about this one little. I made small, not much slides, just few slides, because so prompt engineering, because few words, if you're freshers, then might be new terms you heard from it. No worries, just we'll get back to the code, all those things. What is prompt engineering? Design and prompts to guide LLM for more accurate, relevant responses, guys. Okay, so that's why we need to write a better prompt to get a better responses. And I'll teach you what is zero shot, one shot, few shot, already explained in previous YouTube videos. You can watch it. And in RAG pipeline, what is RAG? I will tell you right now. Vector database, how the text is stored into the vector database, and how LLM ops work along with the RAG pipeline. We'll build all these things, how monitoring happens. All these things will work in today's topic, guys. Pretty clear? Everyone is clear, guys? So we'll use these frameworks. We'll use LangChain, we use ChromaDB, we use Langsmith, we use Gradio, we monitor. You can monitor all those things, guys. So why LLM ops is important? LLM ops ensure AI applications will scalable, and it's reliable and ready to real world productions team. What is the problem we can face? How do you create these PPTs? Any tool specific? Those things I'll tell you later. Okay, why LLM ops important? It's AI tool, buddy. राहुल AI tool is there ना, वही यूज किया हूँ और कुछ भी नहीं. Yeah. So without LLM ops, what happened? Hallucination increases, deployment become difficult, debugging is hard. See, manually not possible now, guys, few things. So everything is automation going on in the work. Exactly. So Gemma AI for presentations, yeah, you can use lot of tools. So what with LLM ops? With LLM ops, so it is not, there is, you cannot, these slides not given by AI tools. You have to some logic, some experience required to use the terms. So that's what the experience required for this one also. Okay, team. So before that, I will try to, in today we'll build workflow. This workflow I will show you today. Rather than theory, let's jump into the practical. What is practical? I want to show you here. First, I will go back to data pipeline. In the data pipeline, we have some PDFs and we chunk. So we ingest, we chunk, we embedded, we store. This is called data pipeline. Are you clear? So all these things practical, then we'll understand the slide better. This is called data pipeline. After we complete the data pipeline, then come back, retrieval and inference query. So, okay, user query, retrieve, prompt, LLM call. We'll call this LLM. This is retrieval inference. And then observability, we can trace, we can chunk, we eval, we metrics, we alert. All those things we will do this, guys, in today's practical. Pretty clear? So today, I want to give you, so give me a quick answer. Did you understood what exactly we're going to do? Please response. Up to this clear, everyone? Up to this clear for 15 minutes? Little theory, everyone. Please answer me. Fresher, do you guys clear? Fresher, do you guys clear? It, whatever model we build, we just monitor. Can you summarize again, please? You just watch the class. I have to do work. No, you can't summarize, man. I have to explain one more time, Rajesh. Okay, so you need to watch it. It's going on live. You can watch that again in live so that you can continue. Okay, yeah, let's do that. Before that, so here, this no need. So this is what we're gonna do it now. Let's continue first. I want to tell you one thing. So go back to here. I will open ChatGPT. In the ChatGPT, so we'll do one practical. And let me tell you, everyone listen carefully. See, guys, let's say my kid or your kid or you study in eighth grade, or maybe I can call it as seventh grade subject. Okay. In seventh grade subject, there is a math topic. Yes or no? I will ask to ChatGPT, can you provide the page number 35 math syllabus from CBSE book? So my question to whoever attendance today, will you respond? What is the difference between LLMOps and AIOps? Who is this guy? Pavan, first you listen, then I'll tell you. AI ops, user need to train the model. Got my point? LLM ops, user no need to train the model because the models are trained by open these keys, OpenAI, Gemini, all those things. Then you forgot to ask another question. You should ask the question, who is your name? Ivala Pavan. You forgot to ask question. The question is, you should ask, sir, what is difference between MLOps versus AI ops versus LLM ops versus DevOps? You should ask this question going forward. Are you clear? Pavan, are you clear? Strange, man. You guys ask your questions, but hesitate to respond. Surprise. Clear? Clear. Good. In AI, the user have to train. LLM, user no need to train. Good. Next one. So here another one versus which one? Data ops. No. Rahul, YouTube guy, huh? No, no, no. Okay, guys, clear? So my question to you, I'm asked one question to my GPT. Can you provide page number 35 math syllabus from CVSC curriculum? Can you please answer me? Would you get right response? Yes or no? Would you get right response? Yes or no? मैंने पूछ रहा हूँ, hey GPT, तू मेरे को give me the 35 page number book, please. You can share me. What do you think it will give? The answer is no. Why no, guys? Let me check. Let me check. But CBSE curriculum is there, na Manikanta? Let's do that. Yes. So here it is asking, which CBSE curriculum are you referring to, Chansey? Yes. Class 6th academic year. It is asking me, what is saying? Upload a PDF. Do you see this, guys? What we're doing here? Upload a PDF. Tomorrow, if you're a working professional, maybe working on TCS, maybe working on Accenture, maybe working on MNC companies, if these companies are used ChatGPT, so my question to you, will you upload your organization document to ChatGPT? Yes or no? Answer me. Yes or no? No. No, not at all. strict violations, company will fire immediately, isn't it? Exactly. It is highly impossible. You never do that. Am I correct or not? So that is the reason the RAG comes into the picture, guys. So that is why. So what I'm going to do now here, if I upload, if I plus now, if I plus here, if I upload a textbook, if I upload a, what we called, if you upload a any PDF, then it will apply a RAG, guys. Then it will apply a RAG application, and then you got response. Agree with me? So this is what happening. Let me show you a small diagram. So you are a user, you ask to a query, LLM model response. So when you can't upload document because LLM model search internet and generate response to you, which is inappropriate. Correct, guys? And you can't upload your personal credential data to that. So that is why RAG comes into the picture. That's why RAG comes into the picture, guys. Am I correct? So what exactly RAG does here? See, let's do that and we will understand. And this practical we're going to do today, everyone. So the first thing is, assume I'll take my kid math book. Okay, this is math book. Assume this math book contains 100 documents, 1000 documents, 1 lakh documents, 10 lakh documents. So for big documents, we use a open high-ended LLMs, guys. High-ended LLMs. Got my point? Yeah, comes into the picture. So when you use 10 lakhs documents into a question, does your database handle it? The answer is yes, because when the days goes on, the new tools are coming up for us. So Claude Code, they are very powerful to work with text data. Understood, guys? Did you know? Have you noticed one thing? I'm asking to all working professionals. Claude never generate images. Have you noticed that? Have you noticed that, guys? Every other LLMs, every other LLMs do that. Am I correct or not? Claude never generate text, I mean images. Text it will generate images, videos. Why? Actually, it is a long story, guys. If you go and research, I will tell you next time. So I want you to go and research. Everyone clear? But other LLM, because Claude only focus more on hallucination, security. So they not spread the wings on multiple assets. They focus on only one part. So once they're working on text model, they come back to the images now. Got my point? That is what the next research going on. Okay. So now the thing is here, no, you can check, guys. What I'm saying, you can go and check. Chart Claude never generate images. Claude never generate. I mean, here, Claude generate only text because the security is very high. So that's the reason every organization must choice is Claude Code for code assistance. Am I correct? So you notice this, all those things. So here, got the clarity? So as more documents, better you can apply Claude Code. Got it now? So here, let's discuss now, guys. So I'll show you this architecture, then we work it, and then we'll get back to the code. So what I'm saying, assume I have my kid math book which contain 1000 documents, guys. Okay, when we work with 1000 documents, these document, okay, is extract the text and I will store into the vector database, Chroma DB. Are you guys understood? Whatever my kids document I have, I will upload this into vector database. Are you clear? Are you clear? So that is called embedding. That is called embedding. All right, guys. Once we do that to embedding, now user ask a question, give me 35 page number content of math syllabus. This question also, okay, stored into vector database, guys. So here the book store and question also store. Now behind the scene, a vector has formed. It will do cosine similarity, and I fetch LLM model. It will generate accurate response. Are you clear? Are you clear, guys? Please answer me. Everyone is understood. Everyone is understood what I'm talking. So here, what I'm trying to speak is, let me write down in LLM model, if user write any query, it will fetch data from internet directly. In RAG, in RAG, user write any query, it will fetch the data from database. Which database? Vector database. Which database, guys? Vector database. So cosine similarity, if you find out the similarity between two text, that called cosine similarity. That is clear. So now, okay, so team, anyone first time students, are you able to understood? Are you guys clear? What is difference between LLM versus RAG? What is difference between LLM versus RAG? Please answer me. LLM versus RAG. Exactly. But LLM has also DB. LLM has no DB, man. LLM has a memory. Got my point? Okay. I think you YouTube study, right? Rahul. So guys, are we clear? So now, yeah, that's why. Do not study YouTube. They will drop you in layman, no man land. Got my point? You know what is no man land? Okay, yes, RAG need personal documents, right, Kunal? Any documents, so that. So got the clarity what is difference between LLM and RAG? LLM model, user write query, it will fetch data from internet. So this data may be accurate, maybe error, maybe fine. That's okay. That would be the secondary part. But here, what is RAG? User write query. So sometime LLM model make mistakes, guys, and hallucinate, confusing. Okay, but RAG model, do you think RAG model make mistake? Answer me yes or no. Do you think RAG model make mistakes? Not at all. Not at all. And not hallucinate, not confusing at all. Accurate information. Accurate information. Am I correct or not? So why I'm applying? So I'll apply RAG with LLMOps today. Got my point? So up to this clear? Up to this clear, guys? Up to this clear, everyone? Great. Let's continue now. Crystal clear. Very good. So this is what happened. What is traditional LLM model? Traditional LLM model, user write a prompt, user write a prompt, LLM model, generate response. It's a traditional, it's very straightforward. But here, what is it does here? So when user write a prompt, it will stored in the, because all the documents is already stored in the vector database, guys, right? So this prompt also, okay, retrieve this prompt tokens to the vector DB, and then it will find semantic similarity and it fetch the relevant data. LLM model generate response. This is called vector store. This is called not 100% if segments are not up to the mark. Definitely, Venkatesh, when you need to update a proper content, right? When you do proper content, you got the same questions, right? Am I correct or not? Yes. So here, yes, on that case, if you upload a bunch of documents, then there is a collision happened. So then when you do, yeah, because exactly. So today we're going to do this practical, this project we're going to work. And here I want to show you some workflow now, LLMOps workflow. Follow this, guys. First, shall we continue the work? First, I will take one PDF. Okay, team. PDF. So PDF docs, websites, APIs, databases, collect data from multiple sources in different formats, then document processing, convert raw document into clean, then we'll apply chunking, then we apply embeddings, then we apply vector database, then we apply retrieve. Got my point, team? Retrieve. So here I want to show this thing and we'll start working on this. So to do this practical, guys, let's start the practical. I want you to work very nice thing. And to do the practical, uh, let's, so I hope crystal clear. So today, what is the point we covered? What is LLMOps? Okay. And second one, the why LLMOps? Why LLMOps? And what is LLMOps workflows? There is no theory much for this, guys. And I will show you LLMOps workflows. And then what is difference between LLM versus RAG? Okay. The fifth one, okay, first we build RAG model, then we combine LLMOps for tracing and monitoring, all those things, guys. Okay. So we'll work together. So I want everyone, the sixth one, can you please open Google Colab for that, guys? Let's take Google Colab and we'll start working. Document with sharing. Yeah, I will share. I will share. Okay, team. So let's close that and we'll continue. Everyone is clear, team? Just minimize now. And I will open this now. Can you please go to Google? Okay, let's continue, team. And then here, Google Colab. Let's go to Google Colab and open it. So when you go to the Google Colab, so it is clearly given here how exactly it will work, all the Google Colabs. Okay, team. So let's start now. And are you following me? Are you ready? Who is working? Who is working? May I know, please? Who is working? May I know, please? Everyone is working. Please let me know. Yes, me. Document which. Okay. I would appreciate fresher. Are you guys working? Yeah. So freshers, when you work this type of practicals, then only you get an offer, man, or else you never get. Understood? All right. So first, so I'm repeat again, go to Google, type Google Colab. After you type Google Colab, then open a new notebook. When you open a new book, can I get access of Google Colab? Hey, Vinay, you need to open, man. Oh, this is another YouTuber's guy. Yesterday asked LLM Gateway. You only ask the question now by watching YouTube. Vinay Agrawal. No. Okay. See, how do you open a see if freshers not able to, sorry, I thought, no, man, it is not access. You can do, it's a free. It is a free. So what do you do? Just go to Google. Just go to Google. Okay. And type Google Colab. After type Google Colab, you can open new notebook. Got it now? Yep. Thanks. Let's continue. Make sure I will little make into big so that anyone can see that. I will change that to RAG integrations with LLMOps. Okay. So we'll do that now and let's do code. And everyone do that. And the first thing here, we'll go to runtime and change runtime to T4 GPU. Save it. T4 GPU, please save it. Everyone saved it? Yes, guys. Okay, save it. T4 GPU runtime, save it. And right now we're running on GPU now, save and click this files, click the files, and why I'm doing work Google Colab, you can work in VS Code as well, but still VS Code, some of the new libraries has not been working well. It will take more time, but Google has its very updated version, so that's why we'll be using Google Colab so far. Pretty clear? Yes. So here I will connect to the drive. Please connect to drive. Once you connect to the drive, let's get back to the drive here and refresh it. Just refresh it. Great. Drive is mounted for everyone. After drive is mounted, just write the first code exclamatory NVIDIA SMI. So why you need to check this? Because graphics card, if you not mounted properly, 15 GB given by Google to us to access your T4 GPU, and we use 0. Please let me know once you completed how many of them done. Let me know how many of them done, please, guys. And then we'll talk to the next thing, guys. Please continue. Great. See, whoever not completed, no problem. So you just work. Okay, Rajesh, what happened, man? No, what happened? I'm saying, okay, buddy, you are misunderstanding. Freshers. Okay, I think this guy's YouTube. It hurts him. I will speak with you, okay, after the class. Please connect, everyone. No, I'm typing this one, guys. I'm typing this one, NVIDIA SMI. I think you are you a fresher? Rajesh Kohli, are you a fresher or experienced? Stay with me. I'll talk to you last. Okay, buddy? Because when I take the session, multiple bunch of freshers, they will follow everywhere, and then they will keep asking, what is that? What is this? They haven't practiced. Just watch for 5 minutes. Then you can ask it. Did you clear what I'm talking, man? Why you so worried, man? Okay, let's talk. Let's start now. We'll talk. Now, please continue that. Okay. So guys, shall we start now? Everyone is done? Please let me know. Everyone is done. Have you connected? Great, great. Yes, done. Fantastic. Now the next thing is, let's continue. Okay. So here, we're working on LangChain because LangChain has pip install. Okay. So the first thing, pip install. See, the good part of Google Colab, it'll give a code assistant, LangChain, and pip install LangChain community and pip install LangChain community means what? Community means it's a free, because WhatsApp community means it's a open source server you can. So from LangChain, I need to divide the text splitter because I have to do the text split as well. Because from the PDF, I have to divide it. Check this one or not? Check the spelling, SPLI, LangChain, text from LangChain underscore text splitter, SPLITTR. Okay. Now pip install. See, we are LangChain. I'm not using any LangChain underscore Chroma. Chroma DB will use Chroma database. Okay, vector database. We'll use this. And then pip install LangChain Grok. Okay, we'll be using LangChain Grok. So we are using this 4 libraries, guys, over here. So the first thing, pip install LangChain. Let me check anyone has any. Just 1 second. So I will check anyone asking questions in the live chat. I'm watching. Good morning. So can we get this people? Yeah. Okay. Who is this? Okay, Naidu. Let's continue. SU4. Kumar, maybe do it later. Don't work now. Maybe you can't do it. So LangChain Grok. So will you install it? Once you install it, let's do it. What is LangGraph? LangGraph is a framework, Anand. Okay, what is NumPy? Library. These are the LangChain LangGraph library is the generative AI framework. Okay, team? LangChain is a Gen AI framework. Okay. In this LangChain community, it is one of the architecture, LangChain architecture. So LangChain can integrate to the Chroma DB. LangChain can integrate to the Grok. So clear? Okay. Understood. Great. Okay, Anand Kumar. Let's do it. I hope installations completed, everyone. Installations completed. I am, how can I share you? If I copy that, if I use the chart window. So please install everyone. Please install everyone. Everyone, please install it. Please do that and let me know. Done. Clear. Great. Thank you, Ravi. So we have installed LangChain Community, LangChain Text Splitter, Chroma, Grok. So the next one, I want to upload a PDF. So first, just to select, why can't we use SQL Server DB or SQL Support Embedding? No, because Devendra, good question. But in SQL, you can't store entire PDF to properly, guys. So PDF has images, PDF has text. You can't do that, right? You have write a query for that. Got my point, Devendra. So that's what SQL is not required. You can also use SQL, but we'll do that later as it's unstructured. Got it now? Understood. So so let's here. We'll have you install everyone, guys? Yes, we installed everyone. So now we will do this part as well. Let's continue. So let me close this part as we connected to this one. And so I'll have a few things. Let's call import OS and from LangChain, okay, underscore community. From LangChain underscore community will be use, no, will use be document, okay, document loaders. We load the document, import unstructured file loader, unstructured file loader, okay, unstructured file loader from LangChain underscore text splitter import. I want to, I think text splitters. Just wait. Vinay Agrawal face error. Don't do it. After the class, do it. Check where is the error. Because if I check error, yeah, pip install LangChain text splitters. Yes, that was there, but here, okay, it is, I think, CHARA. Got it now. Character text splitter. Understood now. So I'm going to do now text splitter we done from LangChain community dot embeddings. What is embeddings? Convert text to vector. And I'm using Hugging Face. No, I'm using Hugging Face embeddings. And after Hugging Face embedding, all right, from LangChain, from LangChain underscore Chroma import Chroma. Okay. So I think no, this is why I've been, this is not required. And from LangChain underscore grok import chart grok. Okay. So this is what we have, guys. Everyone clear? And I think I will cut this here. Okay. Let's use that. Control G. And I will mention this one step by step. So let's cut and paste here. I will make it in a serial way so that this would be the coding standards. Okay, so this one. And anything I left now? And I think from lang chain classic dot chains import retrieval QA. And I not use chart OpenAI because it is the paid applications. Okay, team. Yeah. So let's go back to this part. This is the correct one, I think. Which one, Vinay? Pip install LangChain text splitters. Let me check text splitters. Yes, the same thing I mentioned here. Okay. Yeah. So Control X and no, I will move it here. Let's make it a proper sequence. Okay. So let's clear now and execute. Check. Service. SQL doc will store in base 64. No, it's up to you now. How do you store? I hope we import all those things. There is no error, guys. Everyone is check. Everyone is right this. Thank you, Ravi. Yeah. Great. So we have done this now. All right. Let's get back to that. So what is things we done? I am taking this part as well. Okay. So today I'm using a Grok API key. So can you please Grok API key here? Go back to Grok here. Just go to grok.com. And I think, so are you guys right this two part? Have you finished this one? We install this part. And second one, we install this part. Okay. So we install this part. Great. So the next thing is go back to this one and go to Google grok.com. Please click Grok API key here. Go to developers. Grok is okay. It is one of the applications where it provides developers to build LLMs by using their API key. So that is why Grok is best and it's open source. You can use that, guys. Can you share me the libraries? Chat Windows. Okay, sure. Create API keys. Just 1 second. I will. So first code have you done? So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. So please paste it here. I am go to Q&A question. Guys, have you say question and answers? Yeah. You check the question and answers. I think Ravi has posted so that answered. Okay, Ravi has posted. You can take down all of them. Team, pretty clear this one, guys? Yeah. Great. So please create a API key now. And I have my API key. But still, let's create a new API key and my new key. So here, submit. Okay, I'm creating my new API key. Copy that and get back to the code here. Get back to the code here and os.environment. I will mention it's absolutely free. Do not API key and here, and you do that, guys. So where did you get it now for execute? For example, I will share my API key here, maybe not expose. Later we can do that. So great. So again, I'm telling you, go to here, Grok, and click close that and go back to your playground API keys and you copy that API keys. Are you guys done? Are you guys done? Please let me know. So this is Grok API key. You can do it. Yes, yes, great. So we have done this Grok API key. Pretty clear? So the next one is, what I'm going to do here. I will take one PDF request. Okay, I will take one PDF request. So the PDF request, which is, I'll go to Google. I'll ask any URL. I'll ask like Python functions. Okay, I'll have this URL, Python functions. And if you see Python functions, I will take one URL, any URL. Let's Python function URL. Just check this. I will take, so this is Python function. Okay, wait, I have one URL. Let me give to that. And the moment when you click, it will work. Okay, team? So just 1 second. Just 1 second here. And I have to fetch one. Any URL you can pick it up, guys. So any PDF also you can download it. One moment. I will share you the URL now. Just 1 second. Have you generated API key? Have you generated API key, guys? Please answer me. Okay. So if you see this now, this is what URL I'm giving. Copy that. And for better understanding, I will share this URL. Can you please click that URL? So what is this URL, guys? This URL for Python built-in functions. I have some documents here, okay? I have some documents here. In these documents, overall a 14 pages documents I have here. Everyone is clear. I have one documents, 14 pages. You can upload your own documents. Did you click that? And have you got the documents, whatever I'm sharing right now? Please let me know. Just copy the documents, copy that PDF URL. Okay, did you open? Great. So now get back to the code. When you get back to the code, the first thing you can do is URL equals to, let's do URL equals to, you just, okay. So URL, before URL, I want to call as import requests, okay? And then I will call as response, okay? Or maybe I call as, so here, response, okay. So I think, can I use this with open function? These are Python built-in function, write binary. Okay, great. So execute that. Can you please check this code? Can you please not able to view resource you're looking for? What has been removed? Edit name changed. No, you will get it now, guys. Just 1 second. I will wait. See, this is what I'll copy and I will change. Team, are you able to click that? Is it working? Please answer me. Is it working? Are you able to open the URL? Please answer me. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, but one thing. So here in this code, I have to RAG with LLMOps, right? So we are not doing RAG project. So this RAG, we need to do LLMOps. For monitoring, I wanted to, can you please go to another applications, which is Google, and open a langchain.com, open a langchain.com. In this langchain.com, you have one applications called, if you check that, there is a Langsmith agent platform. So here, what I'm going to do, can you please open langsmith.com, guys? Okay. So when you open a langsmith.com, here, try Langsmith. And when you try Langsmith, just connect to Google When you connect to Google, just go back to here. All right. So just 1 second. And when you connect to Google now, you generate one API key. Go to setting. When you setting, the API key is there. Okay, team. So I have to fetch the API key. Everyone is clear? Can you please generate API key here? The first one, I have my API key. Just 1 second. I'll bring back my API key and please generate API key and let me know, did you generate it? Please generate API key and let me know, did you generate it? Just 1 second. My file. I will get my API key list. Where is Langsmith API key? Okay. So let me copy this and so here we go. Just try. And so go back to the code here. Clear now, team? Okay, team, understood now. So let's have look at that. And I need to, okay, just code. And in this code, I have to give that. So I'll do one more thing. I have to integrate. So before that, can you please let me check what are the tasks you done? First thing, we check SMI and then we'll install these libraries. Am I correct, guys? After install the libraries, just scroll down and you check here. So this is the thing you have been done. Am I correct? Yes or no, guys? Yes. And after install, you generate your API key, Grok API key. Yep. And after that, I want to install pip install Langsmith here. Langsmith. So just execute pip install Langsmith. Okay. So right click. After right click, it's installed, guys. I will hash it because I don't want to get more output now. So if I do clear output, okay, so I'll run it again, this one, so that this output also will install. So that, okay, 1 second and hash it. Oh, my bad. Here, stop. Okay, just wait. And it's already installed this, guys, so that the code should be not a issue. So I will hash it. Great. Now when I hash it, no need to, so we'll be good now. Pip install Langsmith. Okay, after Langsmith, I want to import OS and from, I need to track this, the code to Langsmith, import client, and here, wait, so this is the client we have. First, I have to use, let me copy that. And here, this is my Grok API key. Here I pass it. And I have to pass and then here line chain key, and then no, not this. I have to pass here Langsmith API key. Did you guys generate Langsmith API key, guys? Everyone, just 1 second. I will be I have to generate this Langsmith API key. Come on, where is that? Where is my file? Because I have a list of files, so that's why I don't want to expose. So that's the reason my file, and then my file here, API key list. Just go to copy that. So team, everyone generate the API key Langsmith. Please answer me. Everyone generate the API key Langsmith. Okay, great. Why it is been issue error? Okay. Okay, great. So here, the two thing is clear now. So we had Grok API key, LangChain API key, and this is for Grok. And here I want to integrate to Grok, and this is for let's use, I think, Langsmith, and this is for we are enable tracing. Okay, we need to trace the LLMOps, monitor, okay, how the LLM model behaves, all those things, enable tracing. And this is called LangChain tracing true, needs to be true. And I'm going to create a project name. Can you please create a project name here? The name of the project is, no, it is not LangChain demo. I will mention as RAG upgrade. So here, go back to Langsmith now. And in this Langsmith, go back to Langsmith. And did you see you have a project somewhere? Would you see somewhere the project you can find out? Where is that? Just go to all applications here, home, tracing, no, project. Okay, do you see the project I mentioned? Okay, I'm going to create a new project. The name of the project is RAG LLMOps project. Okay, so I'll copy that and go back to my code. This is my code, and here I will trace it to this folder. Team, have you understand what we're doing now? Have you understood what we're doing now? So this is main important step where the integrations are happening. Okay, LangChain project, and this is endpoint. Endpoint is really required. No, I don't think so. It is required. So here I'm going to remove and print. The print is Langsmith tracing. Okay, enabled. If it is integration successfully, then it is enabled to happen, guys. So let me check one more time. I'll open this create project. Let's create a project here. Okay, I think just go to the dashboard. So here, this is tracing now. Okay, this is RAG LLMs project we create. Folder has created. Have you seen this, guys? Waiting for traces. Nothing has been traced here. No problem because I haven't integrate anything. Just go back to the code now. And first thing you install SVI SMI checked, guys. Then we work on LangChain. Then we install Chroma DB. We have Grok API keys. Let's execute. Great. Langsmith tracing enabled successfully. Can you please check that? And API key must should be correct or else you get error. So what I'm trying to speak is let's copy the code and paste here. And I'm removing the API keys here. And so 10 command, please copy and paste it. Yeah, I'm doing that. I'm doing that. Just 1 second. Because I'm removing this API keys here. And just now hit enter. Hit enter. Can you please try this, guys? Make sure before you do it, what I'm trying to speak is, can you please go to Langsmith and create a folder here, guys? Have you create API keys here, guys? Have you create API keys here? Have you create all API keys? Yes, team. Great. After create API keys, have you create a folder? Go to the tracing, go to the project, create a folder, RAG LLM ops project. We do it now, API created. So there's a two API key we created. One is for Grok, one is for Langsmith. In Grok, using Grok, I'll access LLM model because it is open source, it is free, so anyone can work. That's the reason it is given here. Team done now. Please let me know. Have you completed? Have you completed? Okay, great. Now we have been done this thing and just execute second one. Now check. Do you see the PDF I can bring back to my this PDF I can bring back to my the drive, guys. This PDF we're talking about, and I've been upload the PDF from here. You can try this, guys. Team, everyone is clear. Everyone is clear. Now you can try this one. Everyone is clear. Please answer me. Great. So show me last step. Yes, this one last step. This one last step. So build end-to-end RAG. So what exactly we have been done right now, I'll tell you. Yes. Yeah. So if you go back to the code, if you go back to the pipeline, this is what document data. So first step we completed right now, guys. Collect data from multiple sources. First step I completed right now. Understood? Before first step, what I have done, I install LangChain and entire LangChain ecosystem. This is the first step. Then I'll install Grok API key, and then I'll convert Langsmith API key, and I create a project folder in Langsmith for tracing and monitoring. Guys, done. Guys, done. Let's get back to the work. How many of them completed? Anyone is not work, no problem. Freshers, I hope you guys are here. Or no problem. I hope you can work. Yes. Yes, done. API created. Awesome. Good job. Good job, guys. Now, the next thing is, see, I know a lot of people will drop, but whoever that, you will get a very nice result end of the things. Just wait. So have you monitored this, guys? Did you got Langsmith tracing successfully? Okay. Grok convert Kunal. You not understand. Maybe do it later. See here, what I'm trying to do is you will go back to Langsmith. You will watch the video one more time. Okay, it is live. Okay, Kunal, I'll be continue now. So the next thing is let's get back to that. So here I want to follow that loader equals to so whoever work, I'm sure whatever PDF we have, that PDF you can find out in here, guys. Python underscore built-in functions dot PDF. Understood, guys? Right. So what I'm gonna do now in this case study, so I have to pre-process now. How do I pre-process? Let's do that. Loader equal to unstructured file loader, and I will say Python built-in function. Okay. And let me remove it and just execute. And okay, what error I got? So I got error as unstructured package not found. Pip install unstructured. Okay. So I'm going to copy this and I will follow. Team, anyone is completed up to this? Any one person? Any one person complete up to this? Any one person complete up to this? Okay, Ravi done. Ramakant done. Yes, Ravi done. Both done. Okay. So this is what you guys work in your organizations. I promise you the same steps. Oh, so no problem. Maybe you do it later. So here, okay, now it's showing restart session. Please restart the enabled. Very good, Suraj. Now I will be, okay, restarting now this one. Great. So I will execute another time. What happened? Another code is getting. This is what problem. I know this issue will happen. Okay, let me install another library. Pip install. What is that? Unstructured. Okay, I will use unstructured. Okay, because we upload PDF, right? So we'll go for PDF now. So I think let's try this and execute now. Okay, pip install unstructured PDF. Now hash it. Now hash it, guys, because I know that is the issue. Yes, yes, Vinay. I will discuss with that when I will share. I'll share, just you watch it. I will share, and after the class, okay, team, I will share the code so that you can understand. So I will execute. Still, man, unstructured file loader not. I think I installed, right? Pip install unstructured and unstructured. My bad here. Now install properly. The now you can just watch it. Maybe I will share you after the class because this is quite advanced LLMs. That's what I'm saying. Uh, let's do that. Unstructured PDF. So you can mention in your resume project as well, guys. So I think still it's loading. Let it be load. Restart sessions. Whenever restart sessions, yes, you restart now. Okay, now let's check. Does this code working now? Does this code working now? What happened, man? Okay, runtime, restart session, and run all. Let me restart once. Yes. Execute, 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 execute. Hmm. Is working or still error? Wait. Hmm. In the meantime, see here, you create your API key. I'm not showing more API key because it will lock, buddy. That's why. Here, LangChain tracing v2 true. You just give your two API key. After that, you mention true. You just define a variable. We just haven't traced it. And this project folder, you keep it here. Got my point? Yeah. Yeah, it's working now. It's working now. Loader is working. Have you seen this, guys? Loader is working now. After restart once. Got my point? Getting error, it's like, but where I can see output? Wait, Venkatesh, watch it, and after that, I'll tell you. Okay, so this is what we happen after the restart session. It is working, and then I am going to do text. Okay, let's create a. See, let me tell you what we have done, guys. First thing, I'll repeat again. What are the thing? I am connected my GPU. I install these framework, LangChain Community Text Splitter. From this framework, I'm calling Chroma DB vector database, and I'm calling ChartGrok to call LLM, retrieve the user query. From the document, it will do character split, embedding, who will convert the text to vector. Somebody is required. That is why it is Hugging Face embedding. And then as the data is unstructured file, I will do it. Pretty clear? That's it, we installed. And after that, I install Langsmith here. That is for LLMOps, Langsmith framework. And for Langsmith, I import client. Okay, just now rejoin the G2. No worries. So client. And then I given my Grok key, LangChain key, true. We need to truly establish the integrations. I create a RAG LLM ops project. Whatever name I mention here, same folder you can create here, guys, for the time being. Got my point? And then try this import request. We have an URL here. This URL has to read the documents from here. Did you see this is the file we get it? Now we loader. So this file load. Okay. This file load, I got error. I installed the two library. Up to this clear? Yes, team. Now I'm going to create a variable. This variable do the split the text, and from character text splitter, chunk size. What is chunking? Chunk size mean convert the text to the small documents. Let's make it to 1000 documents or maybe 2000 documents, and chunk overlap 0. There is no overlap, but still you can mention max 200 and 400 up to you. You can keep that. Now execute. Text splitter is not defined. Text underscore splitter. Mm. Oh, okay, okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Here, done. Great. My bad. All right. So here we done this, and the next one, I will. So here, loader variable create for this PDF. So go back to my architecture. So this one we done, and document pre-processing, chunking. We are into chunking. This third step now, guys. Okay, we're into third step. Just get back to the code now. In this code, I think I'll create a document and loader dot load function, and I think please make them to text, and by text splitter dot split the documents, split underscore documents, which I have a document. Yes, I need to pass the document here. Just execute seek here splitter. What is string object has a file name? Manikanta documents equal to splitter split underscore document. So here file name is document, might be load. No document text equal to text underscore splitter. Let's check this. And okay, Ravi Kumar, you're saying why it is happening, man? Sorry. Document. Okay. Loader. No. Okay. This is, I think, let's create a over here. I'll text equals to, let's try text splitter. Okay. ये split document करेगा. Now try this. Come on, man. Character chunk size 2000, chunk overlap. Okay, can you explain the error? What is it saying? No attribute seek. I think load file name. No, here loader dot load file name is not required, buddy. File name is not required. File name I given here. Okay. No, just wait. Now file, let's restart now. Runtime, restart sessions, run all. Just wait. Yes. Built-in function. Wait, we'll see that. Structured loader. Wait, we'll see that now. It is going on. Okay. Wait, let me wait for some time. Warning. Does it working now? What it does? Okay, with open function, corrected unstructured file. Okay, warning. So, okay, I hope it's done. Let's see. Type of text list. So let me share this code to you. Let me share this code to you. Okay, guys. Type of text is list here. It used corrected loader. Okay, formatted string. Okay, that's fine. No problem. So now I think execute. All right. Type of text is list, guys. So now what happened, which go back to my architecture LLMOps workflow. In this workflow, what we covered so far, first one documents, pre-process, chunking. Can we go to this part now? Team, are you clear? 3 steps we completed. Can we go to the 4th step now? Yes, team, let's go to the 4th step. And I just wanted to see the 4th steps. What is the 4th steps works here? So I called as text of 4. Okay, yeah, I get my uh, content 3 text. I mean, document metadata had stored here. Okay, great now. And second thing, what I'm doing here, okay, I'm go back to this architecture. Which one I'm doing now? 1 complete, 2 complete, 3 complete, go back to the 4th embedding. For that, I'm calling Hugging Face embedding, right? So get back to the work now. And here for I'm using Hugging Face embeddings rather than I call, let's create a variable embeddings equals to Hugging Face embeddings. And let's create into a vector DB. I have to create a vector DB. This vector DB can store in one directory. Okay, equals to versus directory vector DB. So I create a variable for directory to store the vector DB. Yeah, need to store in vector DB, right? That's what I'm doing, Manikanta here. So this one we're doing, this part is done, this one is done, this one done. Let's get back to the vector DB now. And if you go back to the vector DB, okay, after that I'm calling LLM. If you go to Grok, if you go to Grok playground, in the playground, I have these LLM, Llama 3.3 70B versatile. So when I copy this model and when I copy this model, I will paste this model here because I create a, okay, let's create a variable LLM I'm calling here and chart grok. And here I have to call model equals to, I'll paste the model and temperature. What is temperature parameters? Anyone know, guys, what is temperature? Temperature means randomness to create generate output from the LLM is all about your temperature, guys. So here I'm going to better temperature, not 0. I'll make it to 7. For medium, the range is 0 to 1. Yeah. Okay, Anshu, maybe you do it. I'll share this code after the class. Okay. Let's execute LLM model. So here, go back to that. Embedding part is done. Vector database we call next retriever. So I didn't retriever. I just use LLM model here, this one. And just 1 second, temperature 0. And anything left, guys? Oh, okay. I done wrong. Go back to the architecture here. We have embedding part done, right? Vector database done. Retrieve part is missing. Let's call retrieval part. So here, and after text vector DB, I have to write another code, man. Just close and I think, yeah, Chroma DB I need to add here. Need to call, yeah, Chroma from documents. It's capital C. Let's create a vector database here. Oh, I'm getting, okay, Chroma document. So rather than text, I can call document equal to text because we created this one, and embedding equals to embeddings here, and then persist directory is persist directory ctory. Okay, perfect. So close it now, just execute. Execute. Come on. Text. Where is that? Okay, I'm going to down now. Okay, embedding, Hugging Face embedding. Let's execute now. Persist directory vector database we have here. Team, anything wrong here? Persist directory value. Wait. So, okay. Vector DB Chroma from documents. Documents equals to texts. Embedding equal to embeddings. DIRECTO directory. Embedded document missing one text. Where is missing? Persist. Anything is wrong here? I think it's document equal to text. Did I pass document or documents? What we defined guys earlier? I think it's document. Control F. Yeah. Document. You're right. So let's close. Document equal to text. Come on. Let's create a Chroma from DBs here. Now, Chrome missing one require argument documents. Okay. Type error. Embeddings. Now let's check what is the issue here. Everything is right only, man. Hugging Face. Embeddings, sir. Oh, okay. My bad, man. Come on. So here I am calling embeddings here, and I mentioned this wrong. Okay, let me execute now. Yeah, it's doing. Please check. Sorry, it is wrong one. Now you get it now. It was I just missing here. Now you can try. It works. Did you see this embedding model calling from Hugging Face, guys? Hugging Face hub it has. So this part we are doing right now. What is this part? So this part, embeddings. Are you understood now, team? I think if you notice this part we done, right? Hugging Face embedding. Now let's call this vector DB. Strange. I think I have to remove close. I have to remove S from here. Now try this. Perfect. Yes, it's working. Yep. Great. It's working now. And yep. So I hope it's clear now, guys. I hope it's clear. See, very simple. I mean, these see errors would be changed because few things would be happen like as embeddings. This part is working now. Let me call my LLM model, execute. I call the LLM model. So tell me which part we done so far, guys. Batao. The first thing we have done this now. 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 One, two, three, four. Vector database retriever. Have I created retriever? I don't think so. Let's create the retriever now. Let's call the folder after persist vector db. Where is that vector db? Text done, embeddings done, persist directory vector db. Here I think I need to create a retriever. Retriever equals to, okay, vector db as retriever. Okay. I think it got a value k equal to 2. Leave that. I don't use any parameters. Let's take by default parameters here. K amount of documents written, by default 4. Okay. So K, when you say 4, it will give 2. Let's call 2 or leave that. Let's create a by default value. So keyword temperature. Temperature means AB, the right response generate from the internet. That is why the temperature is required. This is prompt engineering parameters. I'll already take one prompt engineering video. You can watch it. So how temperature will work? Very simple. The temperature range is 0 to 2. When you say 0, okay, coherent response pull out from internet. So when you say GPT giving a right response so that anyone can understand, guys. The moment when you 1, it is called medium responses from the internet. When you say 2, it is high coherent response. So sometimes you can mention 0, 1, 2. When you mention 0, 1, 2, you see the responses from LLM model different. So those I'll explain in prompt engineering classes. So if you watch the, got it now? Got it, AB, everyone? So here, okay, I'm going to execute now and let's LLM called. Great, retrieve also done. Go back to this step. So we have this one, this one, this one, this one. Embedding also done. So vector database, let's call vector database. So vector is all done, retrieval LM, generate response. Now what exactly do that, guys? So here, now minimize that and okay. So I think QA chain, I need to call retrieval QA from chain type. I have to LLM model I need to call stuff retriever. Okay. And it's better I create a variable QA chain equal to, now try this, it's working. And then another one, I'll get it as query. I'll ask now. So go back to this document, architect LLM workflows. In this workflow, document we upload, pre-process, chunking done, embedding done from Hugging Face embedding, vector database, we store to the vector database, and then scroll down, then we retrieve and generate response. And let's do this. Now I'll go back to 8th number part. Can we go to 8th number part? So let's query equal to, I would ask, what are the functions from the PDF, and let's generate a response from QA chain, run query and print response dot text. No, response rather than response. Give me the result here. Result here. I think, okay. I got error one more time. It's better I keep it into the list. So because I call as a list now. Now try. Come on, what happened? What are the functions from PDF? Okay. QA, my bad. So not run here. It's better invoke. Query. Yeah, it's put into the string. And let's mention to query. What is the story? Query. Anything wrong here? String and list. Yeah, no, query I have defined here. Response. Okay, just 1 second. My bad. I have to keep this in dictionary, man. Invoke. Okay, I'll put it now. I hope. Let's keep it in the dict because keys and values we have. So here. Okay, now let's hope works. Hey, just execute. Why error code? QA chain dot invoke. Any issues, guys? QA chain query error code message temperature. Oh, okay. Temperature must be to my bad. My bad. Got it now. Got it now. Got it now. Yep, it's working. Great. I got response. It better. 0 to range 2. I mentioned here. Now response and I'll mention as result. Do you see what are the function from PDF? Did you create, guys? Team, are you understood how RAG works? Now check that all the functions. So entire notebook LM, if you see notebook LM, that is complete works on the RAG. Have you noticed this, team? Team, are you clear? How many of them understood now? How many of them understood? So next we have still many things. Okay, guys, are you got my point? Team, are you understood? So when I ask if functions, now you generate it. So the next thing I wanted to, let's give a detailed information. And can I go back to my tracing here? And I trace. Just 1 second. Okay, we'll do this, wait. Do this, wait. Okay, tracing now. So understand, sir, whatever you ask other than in PDF. It won't give nobody because you don't update any PDF, na? Got my point? So let's do that here. Just wait for some time. We'll do in the meantime. Go to check and where is my code? Get back to the code now. So I will write. So we'll deploy also. Just wait. In Gradio, we got response now. What is next thing? So I will write a query. So the same thing here, I am going to copy this code and paste here. After paste here, print response result, and I will mention that. And also after that, I can mention here, no. So print, I think let's apply a into 30 length, generate up to 30 length, and print. I need some from source document. I need to generate the response from, so here, source documents, all right. And then for 0th row, I'm in dot metadata from source. Now try. Invalid syntax. Okay, source document. Okay, I think I have to comma. I'll try. Great. Recording will stop in. So here, when you try this, guys, I think you got detailed informations, right, team? So something, why I got error like that? So print source document, response, source documents. Okay, metadata. Source documents. Okay, I'll close that. Right, key error. Why that key error? But still, guys, are you understand? So here, if you see that one absolute, all those things we're getting output or not? Okay, Langsmith. Client failed to send compress multi-part Langsmith utils. It is saying authenticate failed. Have you see this, guys? Authenticity failed here. And if you see that now, if I go to tracing, put in Dixer, AB, which one? Go back to this one. No. So I think print source document. I don't think so. It's really matters. Metadata. Let's go to GPT. What is error I'm getting now? Key error. Just wait. Small things. Source document. And here, waiting for trace. Do you see it's processing? Searching engine. Wait. No. I'm just checking. I didn't enter, man. Let me hit enter. Accept and run. Now. This is something weird. Yeah, I got it now. Guys. Check it. Now it's working. Okay. Langsmith client failed. No problem. So what I'm going to do now, I hope it's working, team. So in here, I better LangChain LLMs project 2 I will go for LLMOps project. So 1 second. See, team, did you understand? I got output now. I'll ask another query to here. What is another query? I'll copy this and I will ask this one. What are the lambda function? Lambda function from PDF. Do you see how RAG works, team? Yes, guys. Yeah, it's working. Online team understood. Everyone is. So I'll share the lambda function. It generating only lambda function. Have you seen this, guys? It generating how the RAG works. Everyone is clear. From specific document, from specific content, it pull out for me. Got my point? Yes. So here lambda function has filter and explain, filter, map, reduce from the PDF. Now try this. Okay, great. How filter. Team, are you understood how RAG works? Great. So this part is done. Let's get back to the tracing part. Somewhere it is fishy that let me execute. Oops. Go back to, I'm here now. So, okay. Why the tracing is not happening here? Okay. Maybe I'll go back to API key now. Let's create an API key. Maybe I need to change that. Setting the API key 6AB. Okay, this is the API key 6AB. So what is API key I have been given here? No problem. So we'll see that. If I go back to this now, Grok is working. Okay, what if I generate, maybe I'm using different account. Let's check. No, where it is not generating same text, na guys? Where do you see generating same text? No, it is different text, not same text. Guys, it is working here. Have you see this now? My bad. I think. Okay, tracing here a day ago. Now I'm going to create a RAG upgrade project now. I'm going to create this copy and go back to my code and I'll change this to RAG upgrade project. Now save that. And here, and I'll have API keys. Yes, it is not changing. It is not changing. Wait. Don't go, guys. As you wait for some time, it is very interesting. Has left now still. Go to setting. 9 BBC. Just one moment. I have to, and copy that and go back to my, just 1 second. I'm changing the key now. Okay. Control S. I changed the key now. Just runtime, restart session, run all. Hope it works. It's running everything now. It's running everything. Still, it takes some time because it is a good project and I'm sure it would be, yeah. So here, let's try this now. Still, it's loading. Let it be low. Okay. So here, once I found it, great, it's working now. Part ingest, authentication, server. Okay, now try this. One second. Strange, why it is not able to trace. What are the common and critical challenges you faced in this rank? Sometimes if you not accurate pull out the data, those are the critical issues, right? That is one of the issues. Tracing. And what could be the issues here? What could be the issues here? Just go here. Waiting for traces. Why it is Langsmith client multi-part ingest. Okay. Just one second. It is not working, right? Look, the existing traces. Yes, existing traces. Let's try in this one. Okay. Now just one second. Let's install one more time. Change runtime to GPU. Just save it. And here I will install one more time. Let's do that. Everything. Just runtime, and I think it is. Just wait. It's supposed to work, guys. No problem. We'll fix the issue. Please show for already traced. No, wait, Ranjit. Wait, man. Okay. I think, no, the workshop is going on. I have to finish it. Change runtime type, save. Okay. Can you connect to Gradio then? You can do it, na, Ranjit? Yeah. No. It's not like that, because I wanted to show you something. Wait here. Connect to Google Drive, and yeah, I have to write one code, and just I am copy that code and paste here. Let's run all. Just wait for some time. Just wait for some time. And here, yes. Just going on. Just give me 2 minutes. So I think the same code, whatever we've done here, the same thing we're working on. And now Llama model, QA chain, invoke, and then we are generating result. And just I copy one code here. I'll give you that. Okay, team? I'll give you that. Just wait. Here, what is error? Installations going on. Just hash it. Now execute, and then I'm just add one code, Gradio code here, guys. Okay, I'll add one Gradio code. Yeah, because I'll add this code. Just wait. Wait, where we stop? Oh, I think I'll get this error here. Yes. I will show you. I'll show you. Abhi. Just wait. Wait. It is going on. Just give me some time. Okay. And I'm BBC. Tracing enabled. So, okay. Loading. Let me install this one. Wait. Wait, it's installing. Restart session. And then execute. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay, it is done. Still this issue. Okay. Okay, I think I have to install this again. This one also need to install. See what happened if anything, these are the challenges, guys, we face. All right, see, there is no code without any challenges. The challenges sometimes LangChain versions is might be challenged here. Let's do that. Wait. Again, restart session. Okay, now execute this code. Just one time. Restart session. Try this. Sorry for make you late, guys, but still wait because I want to show you. Okay. Oh, every time I no need to do this. Smith installations completed. Then fetch it. Then here. Then here. Good. And then execute. And after that, yes, we're done. Then text splitter, documents, type, text, embedding, vector DB. Vector DB will wait for some time because Hugging Face embedding is download. Guys, are you there? It's interesting. It's getting some bugs and yep. Thank you, team. Wait. Persist directory and okay, Chroma DB, retriever, and then chart grok, then QA chain. We already run right now, right? Result. Okay, I got complete information. I'm asking Lambda functions. Great. The syntax of everything, you get it now. And then you explain me. Now let's get back to that. Wow, it's working. Have you seen now retriever QA? Did you see how many questions I work now in this code? If you build it, if you see this now, guys, and here, look at that. How many questions I ask? Tell me. The first question which I ask is 1, what are the function from PDF 1? And give me summary 2 and explain Lambda function 3. And here explain math functions in Python. Now try that. 1, 2, 3. Do you see we are able to trace all the informations over here Yeah. Similar answer or model. No. AB, I hope understood now. So if you see this vector store, I'm tracking each and everything. But just one moment, I want to tell you another thing here. So rather than you track like that, if I will, I just had copy because if I write it takes some time. So I just uh, shared this to you. I import Gradio. The moment when you import Gradio, let's check. The Gradio is a UI, the running on public URL. Okay, first let's go back. My Gradio model deploys live now. So my app is live. I'm saying team, are you there? Anyone? Anyone is there? Everyone? Can you please go to, I'll share the link, guys. Can you please open the link? Are you able to access my app, please? Can you please check that? Can you please click the link? Are you able to access? Please answer me yes or no, because my backend is live now. Accessible. Great, Ramakant. Now, okay, don't everyone click that. So wait, everyone ask one question and I can monitor you. Everyone ask one question, I can monitor you. Right, one by one, one by one. Yes, it is. Very good. Please write anyone. So see, you are sitting somewhere. I am here. I can track your work. Bool means Python done, right? Just let me trace it now. Refresh. Please share. Wow. Hey, how many people die? Wait. Just don't do it, please. I think Bool mean Python. You typed it, right? Who is this guy? I think. Did you see this is response you got, guys? This is response you got, right? Isn't it amazing? Suraj power. Yes. Chennai weather. So Suraj, you mentioned this one. See that this is what response you got it. Python built-in functions, and here paste content. Are you generate response? See how is it? Wasn't awesome? Please response. Where is the link? Where is the link? No, I'm not sharing. It's really awesome. Yep. Did you see how did and how do you share my app? And I can track your everything what you do it, and look at that. I can see that result. I don't know what rag refers to context, because here I think explain rag someone write, and I can track your questions, how Gradio library works, provide list of functions plus list of Python functions. Great, do likes and thumbs up. Isn't it? So I tell you, I told you, just wait for last time where we need to ask question. So whenever you click the link, you got like this or not, you can ask your questions now. My code is live. Just go back and here. Don't use much more because my traces will be finished. Please try this. Do you see you can work? Now wait, I can stop my server. Can you write you get error now? Can you write you got error now? I stop my server. Can you check you got error now? Everyone got error or yes or no? It was amazing. Yes. How is it, guys? So this is the live link, buddy. The code is in live. Where is the link? So you see me in the chart window. I posted. This is my live. Excellent. Wow. Super running right now. No interface running right now. Yes. Why? Why no interface running? Anyone? Why no interface running? Because exactly I stop my code here, guys. The backend code stop here. The backend code stop. So now it will not work. You got everyone is error team. Agree with me. Now let me run it again. Let's up again. Now my code is up. You can try one more time. Let's go back to my tracing part. And I think you got some lot of them got error because look at that 12.5-second latency. I can see your tracing latencies. I can monitor which data set run has not been added to your data set. You can see that here. What is meant by Python function? See, whatever questions you give it to me, yes, it is working now. Now is it working? You can click the link. Now, hello, now submit. Error because it is overloaded, it seems. I think let's wait. I will close now and I'll open it. I need to give another query maybe. So, hi, now submit. It's working. Now okay, now this code will work. Look at that. Kunal, you're not understand. Maybe you do it late. What is meant by deployment? See, guys, I am give a live link now loaded, and whatever you can working. See, LLMOps. Let's assume I am working in India and the client is from US and India, whatever working he needs to track what queries you have. So what is meant by Python functions? You write it. I can see your responses. I can tracking each and everything that I will get back to that now. Team, are you clear? So let me stop my query or else the tracing will be finished. So team, I hope understood. Okay, this is the Gradio live running on this tunnel, killing tunnel. So closing server, do you see? I creating a tunnel here. And in this tunnel, you can open the live applications. Did you notice that, guys? Did you notice everyone? Everyone. Yep, yep. I'm sharing in the chat window. Now the last one, see here, you're not able to see that. It is not just tunnel, it's just okay. So here what I'm saying, I am asking. So you can also deploy using paid server like GCP. And so here I'm write one question RAG assistant. Hey, can you generate what is difference between explain 10 points about um, functions versus lambda function. Now execute it. Now, do you see I build a chatbot? Amazing, man. Amazing. Do you see such a along with code? How can I build it? Guys, are you get my point? AB, the PDF you upload is different, man. It is very fast. I hope AB is not clear. Better you watch it one more time. Whatever PDF upload, am I get the same information here or not? Got my point. Look at that. Look at the response time and everything. You can use that now. You can use my live applications and it'll go through tunnel. Clear, I create a tunnel here and using this tunnel, this is live application is running here. So that is why you can open my app. You can run my app. You can run my code. Got my point, team? Got my point, what I'm saying? And also, if you notice one thing here, mm, go back to this part and tracing. I will tell you what the tracing done. Overall, 40 traces done. I have Langsmith provide 5,000 traces, then it will charge. So when you open that, let me explain what is the tracing part done here. It will give you vector store and I can monitor your chart, like how many chart has done and how many people has been used. I can see the dashboard as well. So here dataset experiments, I can experiment how many evaluation has done. Okay, so this is called trace monitoring. If you go back to the monitoring, let's open a dashboard. In the dashboard, what is today's date? 24th, right? So 24th, see, input, LLM calls. Okay, so LLM calls. Any cost tokens has happened now? Okay, so 24. Just 1 second. Trace count. So you can see everything monitoring here. Alert, do you got any alerts? No alerts yet. If you create alerts, it will creating now. Just go back to monitoring and traces. I think just wait. LLM latency, runtime. Okay. So the next one, I'll see it. Before that, evaluations. I'm just seeing that data center experiments. So accuracy console, run on experiments. Do you see run on experiments? Everything you can find out here or not? Is the trace limit? Sir, I joined last phase of this workshop. Can I came to know some sessions is going to start on? Yeah, tomorrow it is time. People, it is starting tomorrow. Wait, go to the home and see. I didn't open 40 traces, but you guys are use my who is this? I don't know who is this. I don't know who orange refers to given document. You know why you got error, guys? Anyone? I can, being a developer, I can trace your, I can see that, I can see what is hallucinate here. I mean, the LLM model hallucinate because the PDF which you upload was different. That is why you got wrong responses. Understood, team, or not? Guys, are you clear? Guys, are you clear? Exactly. PDF is not have this now. And the good part is here, if you go back to the setting, show cost and tokens, it will show everything. Output, feedback also it is given. Feed, just upload this now and little explore feedback. And who is this? Output generate field result. This ID has created now metadata. So this PDF I upload and yep, because you not get answer, right? Show two hidden runs. You don't. Which model is running here? Llama 3 model running here. And which date, which time? Stuff document and output. This is what output you got. Am I correct? Who is asking? Who is orange? What is orange? Let's again and try. Exactly. Yep. Input functions, feedback. It was awesome, man. Did you see that? If you now, just 1 second, I will look at that. So it's better I will share this live. It's better. Last time I'm giving, I can deploy my code in Gradio live so that you can watch my code and using this tunnel. Can you please use it? It's working now. Can you please use it? It's working now, guys. Please response. That's what I said. Wait. We will see that at last. How is the workshop, guys? Is it good? I hope a lot of things you learned today in depth. I'm sure. I'm sure. Trust me, if you learn, it would be awesome. Are you clear? That's what I just wanted to speak. Please check. I will check. Anyone have any question? Great workshop. Excellent. Great workshop. Amazing. So is it live or not? Please check. Let me go back. Who is writing what? Now I'll see. 47. Seven of them right. So I want Python. Oh, my bad. Do you see rate limit error? Stop it, guys. I'm sorry. I think the rate limit exceed. So come on. I can't use anymore because I have used all my traces. It's expired. Khatam ho gaya balance, isn't it? It is giving 5,000 error aaya. You know why error? Because let me stop my code. Let me stop my code. Hmm, where is the code down? Yeah, this is what I stopped the code. The reason is if you go back to the tracing part, I think it is, I have to stop it. Rate limiter, the reason is I think go back to setting. If you go to the setting and usage graph, credits usage limit, can you go to the usage limit? I think credits, the credits which free credits has expired. No, Vinay, the free credits has expired because everything is running on money, right? So the free credits model pricing, I have to pay for this now, guys. GLM, I have to pay for it now. So when I pay, then you can run all the code. Plans and pricing. Just wait. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Up to 50 runs we can make it. Have you noticed this? For developer, how many runs we got? Up to 50. So that's the reason it is. I'm using 50 users you used right today. How come? Just go back to my traces part and up to 50 users you can do this, guys. Error. I know you got error because my limit got expired. So my free limit has expired. That's what the code is not live now. Even though you're working, it will give error. If I recharge $39, you can use my service. Team, are you clear? How many of them understood? How many of them understood? Okay, guys, fantastic webinar. Understood. So, guys, I'm doing very hard work for you. So I need your response. Just, oh, I see. Okay. I love your comments and just likes it, and you can share to your friends. It is one of the amazing workshop, and this is superb. Very good, Vijay. Vijay, clear now. Very good session, sir. Nice. End to end, I explain, man. Do you have any open source or Langsmith for? No, you have to pay for, no, you have to pay for price for every deployment. You have to pay for price. For the first time, I use freely so everyone can use. So you can use this code. If I share this code, will you work? Okay. For the first time when you do, might be, so share the code. Do you see how the deployment happened and how that UI has created? Isn't it, guys? It was very workshop. It's very nice and it is excellent. The UI has created as well. Trust me. Yes, you won't get. This is, I spend a lot of time on it and how the deployment works using Gradio, and you can access my live applications and whatever monitored. So how can I see your work? I can see the traces. And today, whoever I gave my live applications, I can see your task. I can see your work, and this is, I create a project folder. I can see that these many guys got rate limit error. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everyone got rate limit error or not? Why got rate limiter? Now these things is you got output this one. So this runs latencies. How much latencies? I can see that to see the production code. Can load GB worth on PDF. Rahul, yes, man, you can upload. You need to buy a lot of things, lot of big server you need to buy. Okay, Rahul, why you have to upload GB file? Asking question is easy, right? See, I can see the tracking 1.19 latency, 0.47 latency, the latency 12.25 here, 13.71 here. These are the latencies we have, guys. 0.82 latencies here and 1.96 latencies are here. Are you clear? So tokens, how much tokens we spend, everything I can see that. Monitoring, deploying, and tracking. I can hallucinate it also. Sometime not hallucinated by CEO response, retrieval QA running, and how much token you use, who is use. You can see highest tokens, which guys use it. So in a program, I can see that enterprise, lots of data. Yeah, true. For lots of data, they have different ecosystem. They have, that's what companies using high payment things, guys. Clear. So team, I hope understood. How was it? It's very good. I really enjoyed. because that's the way nowadays Gen Z coder cannot sit up to these much time. I can see that the 48 people, whoever 45, whoever there, I'm sure you all are experienced because freshers, any freshers still there? Any freshers still there? Then oh, Anshu Kumar, very nice, very nice. Ramchand, very good. Jay Kumar, nice, nice, nice. So you learn a lot of nice topic, guys. Okay, thank you so much. And that's it for today. I'll hang up for day. And so let me tell you, can you please scan it? This is my, yes, yes. But share tracing not showing. No, no, you need to do one more time, buddy. I will share all the code. You need to do one more time. And have you traced this now? I'm sorry, have you scanned it? Have you scanned it? So when you scan it, this is for, can you please share today presentations? Okay, last time I want to show you what we have done, finalize, and I'll sign up. I make another presentations. I make it for you. Today I start the session with MLOps and end with another PPT. Let me show you what we done covered so far. Slideshow from current slides. So we build RAG plus LLMOps pipeline, a complete code through. We build a RAG with LangChain, Grok, Chroma DB, Langsmith here. And then in this one, this is what pipeline we create, indexing pipeline, RAG pipeline we have created, PDF documents, document load text, Hugging Face, Chroma DB, user query, and monitoring, trace every LLM call, latency, token usage, input, output, everything I deploy so that you can use the live code, guys. Got my point? Tech stack, in tech stack, LangChain, Langsmith, Hugging Face embeddings, Chroma DB, and unstructured request we covered. Document load, you can upload your office documents, and this is what happens here. We do environment setup, we text split, creating embeddings, and very nice content I prepared for this, guys. Vector store, retrieve, and then LLM setup, and then monitoring, and then I tracing, debugging, and I deploy using my Gradio deploy code. I deploy using Gradio Live, guys, so that you can use this part. Okay, team. So now you have a full RAG system, how it works with LLMOps, how to monitor, how to trace it, how to deploy, how to, okay, see on live. And also I shared my live app, you used it, and the balance is gone. So I have to create for another for this, guys. It was one of the fantastic workshops. Thank you for your time. And it is one of the beautiful, and I appreciate for your stay here, guys. Okay, team, that's it for today, and love you all. Bye bye. And please don't forget to like, shares, and comments, and share to your friends. So this is all going on live. I think I haven't show you. Or one more thing, yeah, you can catch me on YouTube and all these things, guys. That's it for today, and goodbye, guys, and happy weekends. See you on tomorrow in a class. Thank you, guys. Bye.